All right, Dr. Joe Landers is here this morning once again to answer questions about your pet, and he's brought along Chalupa this morning, right?
Yes. We were discussing that is apparently a very good Mexican food that we need to go try. But
I haven't tried it.
I haven't either.
But it works for the dog.
Yeah,
huh?
it worked for the dog. This is what Melanie asked me: is this a long-haired Chihuahua or a Pomeranian? And I said yes, because I think he's kind of both. He's a little bit Chihuahua, a little bit Pomeranian, probably. Who knows? But a nice little dog.
He was hit by a car.
He was hit by a car. He's had a apparatus in his leg here, and his leg's doing really good. And he runs around. He's a little shy for a little dog here, but he's doing really well. So he's over at Heritage, and he's about a 2-year-old dog. I don't know if I said that or not. Little male. So, and that's 627-8575. So.
Okay, we'll have more details on how to find Chalupa in just a moment. First, though, let's go to the phones. First up, we have Karen from Tulsa. Good morning, Karen.
Good morning.
Hi.
What's your question?
I have 2 questions,
Yes.
actually. The first one is, we have a rat terrier. She's about 3 years old, and she often has ear infections.
Yes.
Various kinds of infections, yeast infection, virus, or anyway, we have to give her, of course, antibiotics. Is there anything that you can suggest that would keep those to a minimum?
Yep, a lot of your infections, and your veterinarian will kind of help you. A lot of times they'll take a little swab and see what's in there a little bit, but a lot of your infections are actually started by allergies, and then that allows the infection to kind of happen. A lot of dogs that we have with chronic ear infections, we put on some antihistamines, or sometimes, you know, a little bit stronger orally, and a lot of times that helps the ear infections quite a bit. So it can sure be started from allergies. So
all right, next let's head out to Okmulgee now and talk to Vicki. Good morning, Vicki.
Good morning.
Hi.
I have a little 3-year-old or 11-year-old 3-pound Yorkie, and she has developed some kind of little dry bumps, kind of scaly things along her back, not on her stomach.
Along her spine?
Pardon me?
Along her spine, like you can feel a little backbone underneath it?
Well, it's kind of scattered over her back. It's not on her stomach. She does have her own little puppy heating pad because she's getting so old, she's getting arthritis.
Oh, yeah.
I've tried shampooing her with the EFA Highlight shampoo. I even have tried Head and Shoulders, and she doesn't scratch. She doesn't seem to be uncomfortable. But when I pet her, I can feel those little
bumps.
And when I first bathe her, most of them are gone, so I can't figure this out.
Yeah, sometimes they get little blackheads, comedones. That may be what you're describing, especially if they don't come to a little pustule with little pus and stuff, not trying to be gross.
No.
But some of those guys just need to be washed really good. Sometimes there's different benzoyl peroxide shampoos instead of just the EFA stuff. You might want to have your veterinarian look at that and see if that's truly what it is, because if they're little comedones, those are blackheads, and usually that involves kind of a couple little deals to get rid of those a little bit, and maybe even some fatty acid oil capsules to help put some oil back in their skin. Sometimes that's the problem, is they're getting too dry. So what are you doing? What are you doing?
Well, we're out of time, but again, if you'd like to adopt Chalupa here, you can call Animal Aid at 918-744-8280 or log on to animalaid.org. Dr. Landers is here every Thursday to answer your pet questions. If you missed any of today's segment, you can go to kjrh.com and click on the Lifestyle tab to watch it again, learn about other pets who need homes, and find out more about Heritage Veterinary Hospital. Dr.